Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be reviewing the NaturAll Club shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner for damaged hair. To be completely honest and transparent with you guys, these items were gifted to me when I did a sponsorship with NaturAll Club for their Flaxseed collection on Instagram. You can check that out here. But these items were not part of the sponsorship, but I did decide that I would love to give you guys an honest review of it as well. So let us begin. So I'll be starting off with the shampoo. The Cleansing Avocado Shampoo, it retails for $17. I like the shampoo. It does set up, which I was surprised about since it was all natural, and it did not leave my hair stripped. It's a good overall shampoo, but in all honesty, I'm pretty indifferent to it. I just feel like I have other alternatives to a natural shampoo that I can reach for as well, so I probably wouldn't be rebuying this, but I still love the shampoo. It was pretty good. It left my hair clean. The next item is the Hydrating Avocado Conditioner, which retails for $22. Honestly, the conditioner was the one I was the most excited about because I usually like to detangle with my conditioners, and I was a bit surprised about this one. It did absorb into my hair, but it wasn't as slippery or as conditioning as I expected it to be. It did have slip, so I was able to detangle my hair, but it wasn't the type of slip that I'm personally used to for detangling, and because of that, I as well would only rebuy if it was on sale or it was part of the wash day bundle, because I feel like there's so many other conditioners out there that are pretty darn great that I can use to detangle my hair. Plus, I use so much conditioner in my hair that I feel like I would need more conditioner than the bottle is able to provide me with. But I did like NaturAll Club's business model of having the conditioner bottle larger than the shampoo bottle. I thought that was very thoughtful. I thought they were really thinking of their consumers when they made this, because I always use more conditioner than shampoo. Next thing I'll be using is the Fresh Avocado Damaged Hair Solution. I personally had the 2-ounce version, and that retails for $9.50, but they recently came out with a 4-ounce version that retails for $15.50. And this is the product that I think put NaturAll Club on the map. And it is my favorite product from this line. This actually comes frozen when they ship it to you, and you have to thaw it before use, which I personally kind of found this annoying since it was my first time using this. I would accidentally forget to thaw it before my wash day, and I would have to postpone using it until my next wash day. So I'm pretty sure with like some habit and some practice, I'll be able to sustain a regimen that includes this, but since it was my first time using it, I just kept on forgetting. Also, my hair days are sometimes spontaneous, so I don't always remember to thaw the product before I have to use it the next day. So that is definitely something to keep in mind when you are using this product, but I personally love this product and I will be rebuying it for this reason and this reason alone. This product is highly moisturizing to my damaged hair. So when I open the product, you have to cut the packet, and the product came out super slippery and it was green just like avocado. And as soon as I put it on my hair, honestly, I was immediately disappointed because it didn't absorb. But once I waited about 2 minutes, it absorbed completely into my hair. My hair felt amazing. My hair didn't feel weighed down, but it felt stronger and very moist, which I did not expect from this little 2-ounce deep conditioning packet at all. Upon first application, it was not doing it for me. I actually hated the product, but once I let it sit on my hair for 2 minutes, it completely absorbed. I did this for only 20 minutes, and once I washed my hair out, my hair felt strong, it was healthy, and it was moist, and it was hella shiny. Like, it felt super, super hydrated and moisturized and good. My hair just felt good and healthy, which I really loved. I am definitely going to be repurchasing this item. It doesn't smell like the other products. The other products have more of a herb-like scent. This one smelled like mostly lavender and spices, which I am down with. It didn't bother me whatsoever. The only thing that did bother me was that the 2-ounce packet was not enough for my hair, and I was so disappointed in that because I have a lot of hair, so I wasn't able to adequately distribute the product all around my head because of that. but I know they came out with the 4-ounce version, which is the one that I will be repurchasing because I have a lot of hair and I need this deep conditioner in my life. I am so happy that they came out with a 4-ounce version. I think it's way more convenient for us naturals, and I will be rebuying this product. And that is pretty much it, folks. Once I washed out this deep conditioner for damaged hair, it was a wrap. My hair felt amazing. It's definitely the product that I'm going to be going back for at NaturAll Club, and it's definitely a product that will probably make me stay with them because they have impressed me with their thoughtfulness and the amazingness of their deep conditioning solution, which is what put them on the map to begin with, in my personal opinion, because I don't know anyone else doing natural hair products sent frozen to be thawed at your door, which I think is amazing because you know that your products are fresh, you know your products are natural because there are no preservatives. You just have to use it, which I think is pretty darn good. As soon as you get into the regimen of it, of course, because sometimes it is annoying when you have wash day and your hair products are frozen, but that's life, right? So I hope you guys found some value in this video. If you did, be sure to thumbs it up and hit that subscribe button. Bye guys!